Episode opens with autonomous robotic exoskeletons that empower paralyzed patients to stand and walk, restoring independence and dignity. Researchers combine advanced sensors, AI gait analysis, and soft robotics to adapt to each user's movement in real time. Clinicians share how these devices integrate with rehabilitation programs, while patients describe renewed confidence and daily mobility. Experts discuss safety, battery life, and cost, and patients recount challenges overcome by therapy teams and support networks. The episode ends with a peek at ongoing trials and regulatory milestones and invites viewers to follow upcoming trial results.